In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to remove a segment from your video using Clipchamp. To get started, click the Create a New Video button to begin your project. Next, use the Open button to select and load your video file into the editor. Once your video is imported, click the Add button to place it onto your timeline. Then, click the scissors icon to cut your video at the desired point, isolating the part you want to delete. Select the segment you wish to remove to prepare it for deletion or further editing. If you like, add audio by clicking the Add Audio button to enhance your edited video. Use the playback slider to review your edits and make sure the unwanted section is gone. That's it. Now you know how to delete part of a video in Clipchamp.